This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing fabric and removing solids. This matters because different codes need different cleaners. Blot gently with a spoon or dull knife to lift chunks, then press with a clean white cloth. Do not rub or you'll push pigment deeper. Once done, mix a mild detergent solution for W or WS fabrics and prepare a solvent for S-coded items. Test that solution on an inconspicuous seam and wait 30 to 60 seconds to confirm no color change. You now treat the stain. Dip a corner of the cloth into your chosen cleaner and gently dab from the stain's outer edge toward the center to prevent spreading. Agitate lightly only if fibers allow. Use a soft bristled brush for durable upholstery, otherwise stick to blotting. Make sure to blot frequently with a dry cloth to lift dissolved chocolate. Once transfer slows, repeat with fresh solution until the stain visibly diminishes. Rinse the area with a damp cloth to remove detergent residue. You finish by rinsing the treated area with a clean, damp cloth to remove cleaner residue. Make sure not to soak the cushion or you'll trap moisture in the padding. Once rinsed, press with dry towels and let the sofa air dry or use a fan to speed evaporation. Heat can set remnants, so avoid a hot dryer. If any stain or grease halo remains, apply a targeted enzyme or solvent product per instructions. And if it resists, contact a professional cleaner for stubborn or antique fabrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.